Hey there! Welcome to our tutorial on AI2SQL, tips for generating accurate SQL queries. AI2SQL is a powerful tool for generating SQL queries, but it's important to understand how to use it properly to get the most accurate results. In this tutorial, we'll be covering the following tips. Want to see more? Let's dive in. On to the next one. Make sure you have a good understanding of the structure of your data and the types of queries you will be generating. Before using AI2SQL, take the time to familiarize yourself with the structure of your database and the types of queries you will be generating. Here is a place for your second quick tip. Clearly define the tables and columns you need for generating SQL. This will help AI2SQL to understand the context and generate more accurate SQL. By defining the tables and columns, you will help AI2SQL to understand the relationships between data and generate more accurate SQL. Provide clear and specific prompts for AI2SQL to generate the SQL query you need. This will help the tool to understand what you want and generate accurate SQL. For example, a prompt like to select the order details for all orders that were placed in the last 30 days will give AI2SQL a clear understanding of what you want to accomplish with the query. Be sure to validate the output of AI2SQL to ensure that the generated SQL is correct and meets your requirements. This includes checking for syntax errors, logical errors, and other issues that may impact the accuracy or performance of the generated SQL. In conclusion, using AI2SQL can be a powerful tool for generating accurate SQL queries, but it's important to understand how to use it properly to get the most out of the tool. By understanding the structure of your data, validating the output, inputting clear prompts, defining tables and columns, you can optimize your use of AI2SQL and make the most of this powerful tool. We hope that this tutorial has provided you with valuable insights on how to use AI2SQL to generate accurate SQL queries and that you're now ready to take your SQL development to the next level. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials on AI2SQL.